Today, we're here to explain the structural unemployment, what factor caused this unemployment happened, and we're now using Hong Kong as an example.
In Hong Kong, structural unemployment is a long-term and chronic unemployment arising from imbalances between the skills and other characteristics of workers in the market and the list of employers. It involves a mismatch between workers who are looking for jobs and the vacancies available, often despite the number of vacancies being similar to the number of unemployed people. In this case, the employed people lack of specific skill required for the jobs or is located in a different geographical region to the vacancy.
In 1960, the main financial sign is primary sector of economy. For example, farming, fishing, mining, and more. Starting from 1970s, some other industry arose which is called secondary industry, such as transportation industry, textile industry, construction, and manufacturing. Times have changed. The society paid more attention to science and technology, and that the main financial event was turning to tertiary sector of economy, which is called service sector as well. High technology and knowledge of manipulating computer are necessary to come along with, since primary industries employees were not familiar with those technologies and did not get used to them, so they become unskilled workers. Many unskilled workers got unemployed, causing the structural unemployment as a result. Until now, unemployment rate is still increasing because many people who are born between 1960 and 1970s are getting old and getting unemployed for being not qualified to the jobs. Here is a graph.
The figure following is to show you how the government is trying to help those unskilled people out. From the original cost, we can see it cost the government originally 10,000 for around 500 unemployed. However, since the economy changed, the government spent $1 million to help those 10,000 unskillful unemployed for maybe training or providing financial aid. As the figure shows that the demand curve shifts westward from D1 to D2. The original 500 unemployed people increased to 10,000, which means the amount of financial aid the government was spending was not enough for the increasing unemployed, and the government has to put more money to help those unskilled workers as the supply curve shows.
Okay, it was like here before, and then because of this situation happened, the spending is like this big. From here increase to this big. Okay. And then since partial unskilled workers are old and discouraged, they will not be able to get another job to support their lives, yet they cannot afford the tax, So the government cannot levy the tax from those people, but to pay them more money as financial aid. In this situation, the government spend more money than usual than the national revenue year over year. It causes the deficit.